Peepaw.
We're at How Sweet It Is, a chocolate factory in Vero Beach, Florida.
Oh, I hear they do hand-dipped chocolates in there. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into in there.
Okay, let's go.
At our recent visit to How Sweet It Is Chocolate Factory in Vero Beach, we met Judy and Richard Pinkman, who have owned this chocolate factory now since 2012. Judy says when they decided to open up the chocolate factory here in Vero, they thought, well, why don't we just combine our two loves of hand-dipped chocolates and sweets along with collecting cool antique. Richard used to have a huge collection at his restaurant that he owned up at Lake Winnipesaukee in New Hampshire. And so that's what they set out to do, and they've accomplished it. Judy has been hand dipping chocolates for about 28 years. Her husband makes all the fudge. And the first thing I was struck by when I walked in was how many different kinds of collectibles and antiques they've got. Some of the coolest things that they've got here are Burt Reynolds jukebox. You can see that. The little trike that Shirley Temple actually rode when she was about 4 years old. The red wagon that they've got out front is one of the old wagons that used to do the Old Town tours up in St. Augustine. For their chocolates, they have over 200 varieties. And they are hand dipped.
Goes by weight. Everything is the same price per pound. It's truffles, cordial cherries, and Australian apricots. They're a little more per pound.
Okay.
But these are general. They're general assortment, and the sugar free is 39.95.
Okay. I see.
So you can either get it on that store.
We'll probably just do a bag, to be honest with you. Where's get a picture? Okay. And the regular is how much a pound, but the non
$28.95.
okay.
It's a difference, but while I have get what you
Actually, I'd like to have $1.9.
The price is $5.50.
Okay, that's fine. We'll get those.
Okay.
This is your sizes on what you can get for getting your things wrapped and packaged and sent to you. You can also buy them here at the store. And that's just a little look at what that looks like. It smells awesome in here. Judy says that they have climate control in the one small little chocolate room that they've got in there, and they source all of their chocolates from Pennsylvania. What you're looking at now is the factory inside, and this is the dark chocolate machine, and she's got milk, sugar-free, white, and that runs. So they sometimes are spending all day hand dipping, so it's really unique. One of the most unique things that I saw that they have is a Valentine's heart candy box, hand-formed chocolate that they then will fill with whatever chocolates you want. And you can order them by calling the store and they'll ship to you. So with Valentine's Day coming up, you guys could jump on it because this chocolate is awesome. One thing that you need to know is that you cannot order online from their websites, but they have an extensive list of all of their products that they carry. And if you call they will put you together a custom order, even up to and making chocolate covered blueberries hand dipped. They don't do those ahead of time, so those are special order items that you have to do. So I hope that you would be able to call down and get a really unique present for your sweetheart for Valentine's Day. They're worth a trip to come down just to see their eclectic collection and to try their sweet treats.